Now this linear programming, this is a new chapter which is there for your first term. So here we are studying about the general linear programming. It is consist of maximizing and minimizing the objective function subject to certain given constraint. So it is a method in which the decision making in the business for obtaining maximum or minimum value of linear expression subject to satisfy certain given inequation. Last year in 11th standard you are having that linear inequality. Hope you remember. It was their inequality, that is inequation. Here we have to do for linear programming. The linear expression is known as the objective function. The linear inequality is known as linear constraint. The limitation on the source can often be expressed in the form of linear inequality known as linear constraint. And after getting the values of variable, we are plotting the graph. The values we called it as a solution to the given linear equation or linear inequality, and using that values for the variable we are plotting the graph, that is called as feasible region, and feasible solution, a set of all values of variable satisfying all the constraint, is known as feasible solution. And after plotting the graph, the diagram or region we are getting, we called it as feasible region. I don't know how times it happens. See now here working rule for LPP. So there are 4, 5, 6 steps. The first thing is that you have to identify the unknown in the given linear programming problem and denote them as xy. Second step, formulate the objective function in term of x and y and be sure it is maximum or minimum. Third step, translate all the construct in the form of linear inequality. So all of you know what is the meaning of inequality. Now suppose I put here x plus y is equal to 4. This is called as equation. But if I put x plus y is less than equal to 4, this is called as inequality. So when it is not completely given equal, we call this as a inequality. So you have to solve the given inequality and get the variables, and you have to mark the feasible region. After getting the value of this coordinate x and y, you have to mark the region. The region we called it as a feasible region. Then lastly you have to find the corner points, and after getting the corner point and the value of x and y, you will put in the given equation z equal to x plus by, and then accordingly requirement of the problem we will find the given equation has maximum or minimum value. So question number 1, it is given 12.1. Maximize z equal to 3x plus 4y subject to the constraint x plus y is less than equal to 4, x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. Now here we have to frame the equation from the given constant, and then we will plot this equation in the form of graph. Then we will find the feasible region and the corner point. After finding the value, we will put here for the z, and accordingly we will get maxima, or if in the problem it is minima, we will get minimum. So for this problem maxima is they have asked, so z equal to 3x plus 4y. we denote this as equation 1. Then subject to the constraint x plus y is less than equal to 4, we denote this as equation 2. For x greater than equal to 0 and y equal to 0, we will denote it as equation 3. So first of all, with this constraint, that is x plus y less than equal to 4, we convert it into form of equation. So it becomes x plus y equal to 4. After getting this equation, we will find the points. So for putting x equal to 0, we will get y as 4. Putting y equal to 0, we will get value as 4. Now if you put 0, 0 in the given constraint, so you will come to know that 0 is less than equal to 4, that is a true value. So when this condition is satisfied, then half plane, this is called as the plane we are drawing. This half plane is towards the origin. And if it is away from origin, that means it will go outside the given line. Now this is a line and it will come towards the origin. Since x and y is greater 0, so this will lie in the first quadrant, and feasible region in the first quadrant, then we will plot the graph. Here the point 0, 4, here the point 4, 0. We will draw the straight line and we will shade the portion towards the origin. So this OBAO, this is a feasible region. Now what are the corner points here? So here 0, O00, A04 and B40, they are the corner points for this region, and for all these three corner points we will find the maximum value. So equation for z is given 3x plus 4y. So putting x and y here 0, we get value of z as 0. Putting the value of xy as 0, 4, we got the value here is 16. Then putting the value 40 here, we got value as 12. So which value is maximum? So 16 is maximum. For which point? 0, 4. So then we will write z is maximum at the point 0, 4 and that value is 60. So z equal to given minus 3x plus 4y, which we denote it as equation 1. Then subject to the constraint x plus 2y less than equal to 8, this is equation 2. Then second equation also given. Second inequality is given 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. We denote it as equation 3. Greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0, we denote it as equation 4. Now first of all we will draw the graph for the given inequality, putting it as equation x plus 2y equal to 8. So when you put x equal to 0, y equal to 4, when you put y equal to 0, x is 8. So put 0, 0 in the equation 2 and you will get it as 0 plus 0 less than equal to 8. So 0 is less than equal to 8. This is a true statement. So whenever you draw the plane here, that half plane is moving towards the origin. Second inequality is there. So we will make it as an equation. Putting x equal to 0, y is 6, y equal to 0, x is here 4. So forming the table and putting 0, 0 in equation 3 again, you will get the 0 is less than equal to 12. So this is again true. So half of the plane is towards the origin. So for these two equations, we will find the corresponding values of x and y. So why we are finding this, you will come to this two graph. The two lines, they are meeting at one point of intersection. After solving and after plotting should after drawing it. So after plotting the points from the table, we will draw the graph. Plotting all the points here 0, 4, 0, 6 for two different lines, 4 points, and then we will draw the line for the first and the line for the second. After drawing the two straight line, you will come to know that this E is a point of intersection, and if you draw the perpendicular here, you will get the point as 2 and 3. So whatever the value previously you got after solving these two equation, for x and y they are 2 and 3, and here also by the graph we got the same value. That means our graph is correct and the points are also correct. So the corner points, now both the graph are coming lines, they are visible towards the origin. So this is a shaded portion. We denote this as a feasible region, ODEA. We will plot the corner point O00, D40, E23, A04, and for every this point we will find corresponding values of z, that is 0, -12, 6 and 16. So which one is the minimum, because we want z minimum. So here we will get the value -12 is a minimum. So the answer we put, the minimum value of z is this. For this z is -12 at point 40.